We had a major storm the 6th of June, and it pulverized the city. It was like a huge snowstorm after the aftermath, except it's got a lot of water, and the hail looks like it's 3 feet deep of water and hail mixed. And it just comes and just pulverizes everything: gardens, landscaping, roofs, car finishes. When they came on property, there was a supervisor on property the entire time. And we were given his cell phone number for 24/7 supervision service. That crew worked so hard and were so dedicated. They covered my garden so that nothing would happen to the bulbs that were coming up out of the ground this spring. They worked Easter Sunday. For them to swoop in here and change the roofs and the skylights and the gutters in that length of time is amazing. I would definitely say that to hire these guys, and they do quality work and they do it in a timely fashion. And when weather says they can't, they are looking out the windows waiting for the weather to clear, and they will be back immediately. The outstanding job.